Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell there so you can miss any of my uploads. So today is a video so request, and I know guys you love those review products first impressions videos. So we're gonna be reviewing the Vandora Contact Lenses. So if you want to continue watching, go ahead, let's jump into it. Alright guys, here we are, and bueno, making the review of Vandora Eye Contact Lenses. Para mi gente latina vamos a estar revisando estos lentes de contacto de Vandora, que si lo vieron en mi historia son unos de mis favoritos y me encanta trabajar con productos favoritos. Vamos a abrir. So let's gonna open the box, and this is how the box came. So for you to know, the box came like this, and it brings, let's gonna see what is inside the box. They put it on mirror, un espejo, and they sent me, they so cute guys. They sent me the box and those are my favorite new colors, so we're gonna be trying today. I used Vandora like some time ago, and I'm gonna see how they feeling today. You know, everything changed, everything new products, so we need to try it. And they come with two of those babies, maybe for pets, I don't know. And this thing that I am loving it so much, this like glittery, I'm gonna be trying today. I get like in orange and in pink, so that's it. So okay guys, let's gonna begin opening the boxes. You know, this is our favorite style, opening boxes. So it's like this, and I told you on my story, and you follow me on Instagram, that I'm gonna be trying for 3 days or 1 week. So I tried for 3 days in a row to see how it feels, and then I can update you guys. You know, it's important that we try the products, and in my channel that don't matter if the people send me, if the people sponsor. I just always gonna give honest reviews of the products, because this is what my channel is. It's a consumer channel, so if they're uncomfortable, I just gonna tell you they're uncomfortable. I don't care. Okay, I was looking the names of the contacts to see which is one, and I will lie, they had the names from here so I can remember what is the color, and here either one. So just know this is the thing I don't like at all, because you can buy bunches and then you can remember the name. So here in the box, and we have already out 2 pieces, and it comes with the kit, which is awesome. They have the cap to storage our lenses, and they come with 2 more tools that's gonna be super useful. I got a lot of friends or Glammies that always asking me how I put my contacts and how I take off. So this is helpful. That the tie to put is like a little sucking thing, I call sucking thing, and you put the lenses right away. I think it's easy. And they have those tweezers, little miniature tweezers, and with the silicone stuff here, and you just go like in your eyes and pull off the lens. So it's, I think for my friends it's very useful. I'm gonna try this. I have tried this. I'm gonna try this because I always prefer my fingertips. So just gonna see. So chicas, les decía que trae además de la cajita para guardar los lentes, trae como esta chupita para ponerlo fácil, y trae como esta pincita con orillitas de silicona suave que no va a partir el lente, para jalarlo y quitarlo fácilmente. Muchas personas me preguntan cómo te pones tanto lente y cómo te los quitas fácil. Vamos a probar este, porque yo siempre me gusta usar la yema de mis dedos. The first lenses I'm gonna try is the Dreamcon pink. they're like a pink color, and I tried already and they're really cute, guys, I can tell you. So I'm gonna be using the mirror here to open my eyes. Look how profile. Open your eyes and the contact lenses look super beautiful. I love it so much. And let's gonna put the other. Alright, it's done. Okay guys, you can see the lenses. They look really natural and it's Dreamcon pink, but they make your eyes look natural but with a little bit of effect. And this is the most I like the effect they give to your eyes, like, which is like perfect for selfies and still natural. I telling you, I used for some of these events that I have been those days, and nobody can notice if I using contact lenses because the pink is not too much highlight, so look just like a brownish color, but when you took the selfies is when you can notice and look so bomb. So les estoy diciendo que los lentes de contacto se ven muy naturales, a pesar de que son rosados. No crean que se van a ver todo rosa. Él crea, lo que más me gusta de estos lentes es que crea un efecto para selfies, pero al ustedes usarlos se va a ver el look natural. El ojito se va a ver un poco redondito, cosa que me gusta mucho, así como esas chinitas que son super fashion, oh my goodness, y tienen esos ojitos como redonditos por dentro, se van a ver redonditos, bonitos, como unas tacitas bonitas, y cuando se tomen la fotico, la selfie, se va a ver wow, solo como el efecto, pero hasta al trabajo o cualquier cosa lo pueden llevar porque no se nota que en ningún momento que se nota mi ojo natural, pero más abierto. Recuerden que el lente de contacto nos ayuda a abrir el ojo, a que el ojo se vea más abierto interiormente, porque el maquillaje lo puede hacer exterior, pero interiormente le da esa profundidad que personas como yo necesitamos, que tenemos los ojos pequeños. Y me encanta el producto y se ven naturales. Ahora me pongo más cerquita y se puede alcanzar a ver el poquito de pink. If I get closer, you can notice a little bit of pink, but the effect is in selfies. So I say that I love so much, guys. I really love so much, and it's super comfortable. I really feel like I didn't have anything on my eyes, and I have stress in those days from the morning till the night, and I still like, I can use clear contact because clear contacts tends to dry so much the eyes, so color contacts are a little thinner, and with those specifically, and I think because the material, like, what is the name of the material, like, and I think it's the material that is hydrophilic, mixed so well with your eyes, so any uncomfortable at all. So yes, the first day when I opened the box and I put in this one, I feel like uncomfortable, but I noticed that was turned. You need to turn because sometimes you can put the lenses upside down, and once you turn and put it, that's okay. So if you feel any uncomfortableness when you put your lenses, try to clean in upside down and they're gonna be awesome. Nothing uncomfortable in the world, let me tell you. Light put lenses bad or there's something in your lens dirty because you cannot make it, okay? So I have you like now, let's gonna repeat the second pair of lenses. So guys, now I'm gonna remove these and it's gonna try this, and then we'll try the second pair. So I'm gonna be using this. Let me see if I can do it. Just gonna take and pull. and that's it. So I'm gonna put my second pair of lenses and I'm gonna be comparing with this one. The lenses come and I'm gonna be pulling with so much strength. Oh, I can see this beautiful color already on, and you can rinse or you just can hold them like this, but you do dry it in the water. So I'm gonna be applying with my tips because I think it's easier. You see my nails are long, but I grab just on the tip, and I'm gonna do the same, but I think gonna be easier with my fingertips. And definitely is so much easier. I love it, guys. I love how it looks. And let's get a closer detail of the ball. This is pink, is Dreamcon pink, and this is Party Galaxy Purple. El color de este ya sabemos que es Sueño Rosa, y el color de este es Fiesta en la Galaxia Morado. So es morado y tiene como, no sé si lo alcanzan a ver, tiene como la galaxia ahí, pero es visible solo en selfies o cuando lo pones bien cerca, y machea perfecto con mi maquillaje porque es morado en rosa. So those unique colors are perfect in there. No light is so much highlighted, so you can use it in a normal day. Me gusta que son no son demasiado como que mucho resaltar el color, y lo puedes usar en everyday look because nobody can notice unless they super duper close to you. Okay guys, I just came back and look at these beautiful lenses. How they look. I know, like, they are freaking awesome. Look at this. Look, the galaxy in my eyes. So guys, what I'm gonna do right now is give me some little retouches on my face while I'm gonna let you know what I think about the product. And now let's gonna use the glitter they sent me. I'm just using the pink glitter, which is multicolor as well. So I'm gonna be just chunk glitter, and I'm gonna be just so teenagers. Now you know, para las chicas jóvenes, para el high school o para el college, para la universidad, para salir a rumbear. Estoy usando el glitter que ellos me mandaron. You can notice, but I just my favorite hairspray and spray a little bit off in my edges. So it's gonna be so much fun and so much beautiful with something like Hey chicas, para finalizar, hablar de lo que pienso acerca del producto. Son súper cómodos los lentes. Ya los había usado una vez, como dije, y son súper cómodos. Los puedes usar todo el día y los colores son magníficos efectos, especialmente para las selfies, como les he explicado. Si te interesan y los quieres comprar, les voy a dejar mi código ahí abajo, que es Karbglam, para que obtengas tu descuento. Compartan este video si les gustó, denle thumbs up. Déjenme sus comentarios, qué piensan acerca del look, se lo harían, no se lo harían. Yo creo que están bien bonitos con estas escarchas y todo. Gracias a EyeVandora, y yo espero, chicos, que les haya gustado. Nos vemos en la próxima. They just match you a natural eye color, which is awesome. So if you like that kind of videos, let me know. give me a big thumbs up, leave it in the comments what you think about if you recreate this little wig glitter and all the stuff, and if you like it, the contact lenses. So you can purchase this and using my code Karbglam for some discount, you know, saving money, girls. And you know, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, give me a thumbs up, and I love you all. Mwah. See ya in the next video.